Stop buying the wrong smart home security system. You're probably making one of these 5 critical mistakes, especially if you're new to smart security. Today, we're cutting through the noise to show you the absolute best smart home security systems for beginners in 2026. And trust me, you're going to be shocked at our number 1 pick. It's not the one everyone else is hyping, but it's the one you need if you want ultimate peace of mind without a steep learning curve. Let's dive in with number 5 on our list, the Google Nest Cam Outdoor. This is fantastic for beginners already deep in the Google ecosystem or anyone who just wants a reliable, smart outdoor camera to start. Its best features include completely wire-free installation, super smart alerts that differentiate between people, animals, and vehicles, and seamless integration with your existing Google Home setup. You can even talk through it. Who is it for? Definitely the beginner who wants a single, highly intelligent outdoor camera without a ton of fuss. The honest flaw here is that for the full suite of features, like 24/7 continuous recording and extended event history, you really need a Nest-aware subscription, which adds to the ongoing cost. Moving on to number 4, we have the Arlo Pro 4 Spotlight camera. If you're prioritizing crystal clear video and advanced camera features, this is a brilliant starting point. The best features are its stunning 2K HDR video quality, an integrated spotlight for color night vision, and a super-wide 160-degree field of view. It connects directly to Wi-Fi too, so no hub needed initially, which is great for simplicity. This camera is perfect for beginners who demand premium video surveillance for specific outdoor areas and are willing to invest a little more for that quality. However, its honest flaw is that while you don't need a hub, building out a comprehensive system with multiple Arlo cameras and needing cloud storage for more than a few days can quickly become an expensive endeavor with their subscription plans. Now, if you want incredible camera tech but maybe less reliance on monthly fees, our next pick might just blow you away. Coming in at number 3, it's the Eufy Security eufyCam 3. This system is a game-changer for beginners who despise subscription fees. Its best features are jaw-dropping 4K video resolution, advanced Bionic Mind AI for facial recognition and improved accuracy, and best of all, built-in solar panels for continuous charging so you barely touch it. Plus, it stores all your footage locally on the included Homebase 3, meaning no mandatory monthly fees ever. Who is this for? The beginner who wants top-tier camera quality, robust AI, and absolute data privacy with local storage. The honest flaw here is that while local storage is amazing, expanding beyond the initial Homebase capacity or accessing footage remotely without the app can be a little less intuitive than a fully cloud-integrated system for some users. Okay, we've talked cameras, but what if you're a beginner who needs a comprehensive, easy-to-install system? That's where our next 2 contenders really shine. Coming in at number 2, we have the SimpliSafe 9-piece wireless system. SimpliSafe is practically synonymous with beginner-friendly home security, and for good reason. Its best features include incredibly easy DIY installation that anyone can do in under an hour, highly reliable professional monitoring options that are flexible, and a wide array of sensors that communicate wirelessly. It even has cellular backup, so your system stays online if the internet goes down. Who is it for? The ultimate beginner who wants a complete, robust security system that's simple to set up and manage, with peace of mind from professional monitoring. The honest flaw is that while the app is functional, it's not always the most modern or feature-rich compared to some competitors, and its advanced smart home integrations can feel a bit more limited. SimpliSafe is fantastic for its simplicity, but there's one system that edges it out for beginners by offering an even smoother entry point into comprehensive smart home security, and it's our controversial number 1 pick for 2026. The Ring Alarm 14-piece kit. This system is the reigning champion for beginners thanks to its perfect blend of comprehensive coverage, ease of use, and unparalleled value. Its best features are an incredibly straightforward DIY setup process, an extensive and affordable monitoring plan that includes cellular backup, and seamless integration with the massive Amazon Alexa ecosystem. You get motion detectors, contact sensors, a siren, and a keypad all in one package, giving you a complete security blanket from day one. Who is this for? The absolute beginner who wants a comprehensive, expandable, and incredibly user-friendly security system that integrates effortlessly with existing smart home devices, especially if you're already an Alexa user. The honest flaw, and why it can be controversial, is that some users are hesitant about Amazon's ownership and their data privacy practices. Also, basic video recording from Ring cameras still requires a Ring Protect subscription, which is a separate cost from the alarm monitoring. So there you have it, the best smart home security systems for beginners in 2026. If you're ready to secure your home without the headache, do yourself a favor and check the pinned comment and description right now for the absolute best prices on all these systems. Don't wait, secure your peace of mind today.